it in here, guys.
All right, 2026. It's the big snow everybody was talking about. Hey, Romeo. What are you doing, dude?
Carolyn, what do you got there?
Snowman. It's so cute.
Yeah, that
You-
looks so good.
You gave me two googly eyes and then a nose.
Yeah, let's see
But
that.
the mouth is missing.
This is the big snow in
Really?
Georgia.
Cute.
There's our crazy dog.
Hey, Donovan, watch out.
If you look really closely, there he is.
Look at your shirt.
I'm not sure you can see him, but at the moment, but there he is. There's my
Can I go
there's my
inside?
sister.
Can I go inside?